Christian Williams, Lothario Garland, Stavado Talbert, and Huntley Forbes Jr. have all been acquitted of causing grievous bodily harm charges before Chief Justice Gordon Ward in the Supreme Court here in Providenciales. The Grand Turk natives were initially released on bail from the Grand Turk police station after being arrested for the grievous bodily harm charge against Anthony Seymour on the 27th of December 2007. Seymour was hospitalized for 3 days following the brawl that reportedly took place around 3:30 a.m. at Chubby's Bar in Grand Turk. Reportedly, both Huntley Forbes Jr. and the plaintiff, Anthony Seymour, were involved in an altercation inside the bar that later carried over to an altercation between Stavado Talbert, Christian Williams, Lothario Garland, and Seymour outside of the bar. During testimony and police statements by both Forbes Jr. and Seymour, it was stated that once falling to the ground during the altercation, a number of unknown assailants joined the fight, attacking both of them. On these grounds, Chief Justice Ward directed the jury to deliver a verdict of not guilty, stating that it was not known who had actually caused the bodily harm. Also using the testimony of Dr. Rodriguez, the attending physician for Seymour, that the injuries were not serious, therefore not grievous bodily harm, and could not be classified as such until the patient's state of drunkenness had worn off. Another point delivered by the Chief Justice was the fact that it was not proven that what happened inside the bar and what happened outside the bar was indeed the same assault for the case to be tried as a joint enterprise. And on the directions of Chief Justice, the jury delivered a verdict of not guilty. News 4 caught up with Huntley Forbes Jr., one of the acquitted defendants, who said that he went into the case confident because he was innocent and he had faith in God to bring him through. A Christian at the time of the altercation, Forbes said that the whole situation has taught him that as a man of God, he should better know where to find himself, and explained his reason for being at the bar.
The reason why I was there because it was a going away gathering. Not actually a party, but a going away gathering for one of my friends who I went to high school with for 5 years, and she had just graduated, and the next month she was going off for college. So it would have been, the next week she was going over college. So it would have been the last time I saw her before she left. So they invited all the graduating class, and everyone came out and we supported. That's the only reason I was there, you know, because it was made to be a dinner gathering.
Since the altercation in 2007, Forbes has been ordained as a minister and left these final words for the Turks and Caicos youth.
Find yourself in positive places, around positive people. I mean, the Bible declares that I call you young man because you are strong. I mean, I'm only 20 and I'm an ordained licensed minister. You can do the same. Look at Obama. You can be the same. Find yourself around positive people. Seek the Lord while you are young, because God can do anything where He say, I will pour out my spirit upon all flesh, young and old. So now is the time. You can see around us. The Bible declares that signs of the times are everywhere. And when you see these signs, look up, because redemption draweth nigh. Seek the Lord, for the Lord is soon to come. Young people, do the right thing.
For WIV4 News, I'm Jody Harvey.